In front of me is Xiaomi 15 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then hold it and click on this icon under two rectangles with two squares. Then hit Next, Start, and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and move it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, click on those three dots and operate all of those. To close it, you can simply swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!